The Congress on Wednesday alleged that one of its delegations was stopped from going to Nagaland's Simon district, where 14 people were killed in firing by security forces in the past. Congress legislature's party meeting was held today under the chairmanship of former Chief Minister and Leader of Opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda, and this a roadmap was prepared to raise the issue of public concern in the upcoming assemblies. The Prime Minister led Cabinet Committee on Security to discuss the situation arising out of the crash of military helicopter carrying Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and severe other officers near Kurnool in Tamil Nadu on Wednesday. An army helicopter has crashed. The accident took place in Kunur between Coimbatore and Sulur in Tamil Nadu. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika Rawat and some of their family members were also on board this Mi-17 V5 helicopter of the crashed Air Force. The German parliament elected Olaf Scholz as the country's ninth chancellor after World War II. With this, a new era has begun in the most densely populated country of the European Union after 16 years in office of Angela Merkel. A meeting of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cabinet was held on Wednesday, in which the benefits under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana has been extended till the year 2024. Union Minister Anurag Thakur informed about the decision of the cabinet after the meeting. The Omicron corona variant, discovered 2 weeks ago in South Africa, is now present in the 15th country. This information was given by US CDC Director Rochelle Walensky. Ali Shamkhani, the Secretary of Iran's Supreme National Security Council, has accused the US of creating a new crisis in the region after the fall of the Islamic State terrorist group. The Chinese Dragon, showing its eye from Taiwan to Ladakh, is now making missiles that can be hidden inside cargo ships. A 5-member committee set up by the United Kisan Morcha to hold dialogue with the government on the remaining demands of the protesting farmers on Wednesday said it has received a fresh draft proposed for the central and is hopeful of a solution. Till now, the fans knew that Abhishek Bachchan's first meeting with his wife Aishwarya Rai was in the year 2000 during the film Dhai Akshar Prem Ke. But it is not like that. Abhishek met Aishwarya from the first time when she was debuting in Bollywood with the film Aur Pyar Ho Gaya. At that time, Abhishek was away from acting and was working as a production boy.